Hello, this is Nathan Ho. I'm the project manager of the EpiConnect development team. As you may already know, EpiConnect is an iOS app specialized in helping adolescents navigate life with epilepsy. EpiConnect will provide useful lifestyle functionality for tracking things like medication, seizures, and triggers, but also incorporate elements of social media for community building. These elements will all be in the service of creating a quintessential app for connecting youth living with epilepsy. To start, let's make an account. This will be necessary to interact with features like tracking and social media. We will be reworking this page another time to simplify it, but the main things to worry about are username and password. Once you have signed in, you will be redirected to the home page. This page will be used as a hub for summarizing the tracking and logging along with interacting with gamification elements to be implemented in the future. However, we will return to this page later. These tabs on the bottom will be used to navigate the core functionality. In addition to the home page, there are pages for medication, social media, and user profile. There is also a central button for whenever a user needs to log events, such as seizures and triggers. For event logging, users will be able to pick the type of event and enter relevant details, such as time, length, mood, and other miscellaneous info. To view events you have logged, you can go back to the home page and click the calendar icon. Dates or any events or triggers will show as a dot on the calendar. When you click on a day, it will pull all of the events you logged for it. For medication logging, users will be able to both edit and view the medications that they are using. This will include relevant information such as name, dosage, and frequency. As you can see, it shows up on here after you have created it. Along with this, you will be notified of any medications you need to take on the home page. On top of the event and medication tracking functionality is the community page for social media. This will be a page to interact with forums specializing in different parts of life with epilepsy. Users can join these forums to comment and like others' posts or create their own. There will also be a special expert forums that everyone will be able to view, but only expert users will be able to create content for. This menu at the top will let you navigate within the community page. These expert and group tabs correspond to the two types of forums mentioned earlier. The Groups tab will be for anybody to use and create comments on. The Explore page will be used to present forums that are relevant to the user based on their preferences. For now though, it displays sample posts that we have created not tied to any community. Clicking on these posts will also display the discussion in greater detail. Users will also be able to join groups that interest them. This search bar will be for users to search and filter through existing groups. Lastly, this plus icon will be for creating posts and communities. To create a post, users can enter a title and body text. This is not yet tied to the communities, but will be nested away in the view for when users have already clicked on a group. This first page will ask you to pick a unique name and description. You can also pick a banner image and icon for your group, which will show up in the background and this circle respectively. You will also be able to define flares, which are used as predefined labels to tag posts. Lastly, you can pick the privacy of your community, which will determine which users can interact with the community and how based on their permissions. Lastly, the profile page contains information on the user's account information and some of the things they have already interacted with. Going through the settings in the corner, the user can do things like modify their account information, look at guides, and send requests for features or bug fixes. This covers the main functionality of the application. We hope to create a cohesive experience for adolescents with epilepsy to use this for both lifestyle and community building. The EpiConnect app is still a work in progress, and we hope to create many more features and really refine the application itself. Thank you for watching, and please reach out if you have any questions.